Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am gonna share with you how you can hide online status or online activity on Telegram. Okay, if you think that you need to some privacy and you don't wanna reveal yourself to the others, that either you online or not, then you can easily handle this. So how can you do this? Just watch this video, and after watching this you will learn easily. So now go to Telegram apps. So click on your Telegram apps, and after that click here three line in the left right corner. Click here and then click here settings, and after that scroll down little bit. Then you can find here privacy and settings, and then here you can see the option last seen and online. Just click on this, and initially it's everybody. So when you click nobody, then no one can able to see your online activity or online status. So friend, I hope this video was helpful, simple and short tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.